have dismissed this writ petition, HK matter. For the reason stated above, there is no merit in these writ petitions and they are therefore dismissed. Then I have gone on to say, I therefore, as an extraordinary measure, deem it just and proper, A, direct the state and the KPTCL to treat this as an exceptional case and ask for a fresh option from the local persons hailing from the HK region who have been found eligible for selection in the non-local cadre as to whether they would be willing to opt for the local cadre. Direct the KPTCL to consider the local persons exercising such an option to choose the local cadre and then select them against a post in the local cadre. Direct as a result of this opting by the local candidates into the local cadre, notwithstanding the fact that they were entitled to be selected to the non-filled voters. If corresponding vacancies become available in the non-local cadre post, the state and the KPTC shall offer these vacancies to non-local candidates on the basis of merit. It is made clear that the selection of the local candidates to the non-local cadre shall be made only if they wish to choose the non-local cadre, and they shall not be compelled to opt for the local cadre. Direct that if the local persons are not entitled to be selected in the non-local cadre, they would have to be necessarily considered against the local cadre post. Direct that if it is found that no vacancies arise in the non-local cadre post, even on the exercise of options from the local persons to opt for the local cadre, the vacancy shall be carried forward as backlog vacancies as provided in the governor's order. It is once again reiterated that the above mentioned directions are being issued as an exception, given the fact that the new situation was brought about by the reversal of the note decisions of the state applications. Though these petitions are dismissed, subject to the above directions, post these matters for reporting complaints of these directions on. Go through the directions. If you think there's anything to be done, modified, I'll do it once. For the respondents, DGA to take notice for respondents 1 to 4. Who appears to verify? They will appear for. This notice about Berlin.